I think it goes around.
Oh, those look like tires. Wait, they are. Would those break off? No.
We might stop though to get people in.
Yeah, that's why.
That's why we stopped when we went there. I just think that even if it did fall off, which you probably wouldn't, you'd probably die really quickly once you hit the ground. That's supposed to make you feel better because you wouldn't suffer.
Yeah, lovely. It'll be scary just like dropping down. It's like,
It doesn't last long because then you're dead.
hey, look, an emergency button. Let's press it.
No, don't touch it.
Don't you dare.
Help.
Oh, what?
Help.
That's
Help.
what it says.
Help.
Is it just going to release a parachute or something?
Yeah, it's gonna give you a parachute and you're gonna go down.
Giant parachute. Is there like parasailing anywhere?
Oh yeah, there was one out there when we were walking down.
Because when I went to St. George Island last year, I went parasailing for my 13th birthday.
Ooh,
Really fun.
cool. Yeah, there was one.
It's just wind. Sea breeze.
It's getting windier.
I'll get it down on the floor.
It's not good.
It's more comfortable down here,
No,
okay?
get up here by me.
Not gonna be any safer on the floor.
No, you're not.
We'll just die first.
Yeah.
Crash leg, Will. But at least I'll die quicker than you two.
It might be a good time to start praying.
4, 5. Just aim for the trash truck.
Yeah, that price thing didn't look too appealing, but now it does.
I don't see how people do skydiving. Skydiving is so like, I want to do it, and then I'm like, no. At the same time, like, I probably do it until I get to the part where I actually jump and just go.
We're on the top.
We're moving.
We're going down. We're going down. Okay.
Going down.
People.
Oh,
There goes a pelican. Look at the water. Look at the water. Look at the water. Look at the water. No. It's spreading.
I don't think we'd be able to land so
Stop. Everyone, hold on. Pray
Don't
for
wiggle
dear life,
around.
even though it's not going to save you.
Rock.
We'll rock this thing.
Oh yeah.
It's really
so
windy.
tiny.
It's getting really windy. It's raining out there.
That's why everybody's getting out.
Yeah.
Is it raining or is that just the...
No, it's raining.
Sure thing,
Look how
Johnny.
windy. Look at the trees, man.
Sure thing, Johnny. I will jump out this window by prying open the doors.
Oh,
Johnny, none will
that
have
would
it.
be real smart.
Johnny Cash.